Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to explore the certification process for becoming an ISO 19011 lead auditor. This certification is essential for professionals seeking to demonstrate their competence in auditing management systems according to international standards. Let's dive into the details. The ISO 19011 Lead Auditor certification is designed for professionals responsible for planning, conducting, and managing audits of management systems. This certification validates the individual's competence in auditing processes, principles, and techniques, as well as their understanding of relevant standards and regulations. Certification process overview. Training requirement. The first step towards ISO 19011 Lead Auditor certification is completing a recognized lead auditor training course. These courses provide comprehensive training on audit principles, practices, methodologies, and relevant standards, including ISO 19011. Exam preparation. Following training, candidates typically undergo extensive exam preparation to ensure readiness for the certification exam. This may involve self-study, review courses, practice exams, and other exams preparation resources. Certification exam. The certification exam for ISO 19011 Lead Auditor is administered by accredited certification bodies or training providers. The exam assesses candidates' knowledge, understanding, and application of audit principles, techniques, and standards, including ISO 19011. Experience requirement. In addition to passing the certification exam, candidates are often required to demonstrate practical audit experience to qualify for ISO 19011 Lead Auditor certification. This experience may involve conducting audits, leading audit teams, and managing audit programs. Application process. Candidates submit their certification applications to the relevant certification body or training provider along with documentation demonstrating compliance with training and experience requirements. Applications are reviewed to ensure eligibility for certification. Audit simulation or assessment. Some certification programs may include a practical component such as an audit simulation or assessment to evaluate candidates' audit skills, competency, and ability to apply audit principles in real-world scenarios. Certification decision. Upon successful completion of training, exam, experience requirements, and any additional assessments, candidates are eligible to receive ISO 19011 Lead Auditor certification. Certification bodies issue certificates to successful candidates, validating their competence as lead auditors. In conclusion, the certification process for ISO 19011 Lead Auditor is rigorous and comprehensive, ensuring that certified professionals possess the knowledge, skills, and experience necessary to excel in auditing management systems. By obtaining ISO 19011 Lead Auditor certification, professionals can enhance their credibility, advance their careers, and contribute to the continual improvement of organizations worldwide. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.